At Sharp Auction Engine, we make it easy for you to upload listings quickly and easily with our bulk import feature. This allows you to create and input the information for every lot in a given catalog in one easy step. From your auctioneer's dashboard, click the Create New Listing button, and then give your catalog a name. On the next page, you can go ahead and fill in some of the details if you want, but you can always return to this page before publishing it. For right now, we're just going to look at adding the actual lots to the catalog. You can always do this one at a time from the item management page, but it's much quicker and easier to do everything at once with the bulk import feature. So scroll down until you see the bulk import items button here on the right-hand side of the screen. From this screen, you can download the blank template for the bulk upload if you haven't already downloaded it in the past. You can choose either the Excel or Excel 97 versions if you have Microsoft Office on your computer, or just use the broader CSV version. So click whichever format you want to download, and then open it, making sure to select the UTF-8 text format. Once you've downloaded and opened the blank template, you should be looking at a document that looks something like this. All of the text that's already written here is simply your reference for what to fill into the blank columns below. You can see how each description matches up to a different column below. I'm going to manually go through and describe each column, but just remember that there are typed descriptions for every column available up here as well, when you go in to actually fill in the template yourself. Everything you edit on the document will be in this region here, below the headers. The first column is the lot number column, which I'm going to go ahead and fill in with a few lot numbers to start out with. Next to this is the name of the lot. So I'm just going to type in the name of the first item in my catalog. Next we have the description column. So fill in any description you need for the item here. The next column is the group name column. If you're planning on having group closing times for your auction, you can assign them to lots here by naming the group. Next is the Has Preview column, which will be answered by a simple yes or no, depending on whether or not the item has a live preview available. If it does, you can set the available times in the next column here, or just leave it blank if you don't have a live preview. If your item has a reserve value, you can fill it in here, or leave it blank if it doesn't have one. Next, fill in the start value for your item, assuming that it has one. If not, leave it blank, and bidding will automatically start at $0. In the next column, you can select the bid increments. Type chart or default if you wish to use SAE's bid increment chart, which automatically increases in relation to the value of the bids being placed on it, or you can type in a manual amount such as $25. The next two columns are the expected low and expected highs for the item, which you can either leave blank or fill in. The next column states whether or not these previous estimates are public. So type either yes or no depending on what you want to be visible to bidders. Next we have shipping type. Type yes if shipping is available, no if the lot is pickup only, free if free shipping is available, or no text to display no shipping information. In the next column you can fill in the weight of the item, should shipping be available, or leave it blank if it isn't. In the shipping text column, you can type any other message you wish to be displayed with the shipping info, should you have anything else to say that's relevant. Final two columns concern consigners. If you have a consigner for the lot, fill in their first and last name here, and their rate in the last column, which can be either a percentage or a flat dollar amount. I've gone ahead and filled in the details for several items so you can get an idea of what a finished template looks like. Once you've filled in all the details for all of your items, remember to save your document under a name that you can easily find. When you're ready to upload all the items to your catalog, go back to the Bulk Import Items page, find your spreadsheet, and simply double-click it or drag and drop to upload it. As you can see, that's all there is to it. At Sharp Auction Engine, we make it easy.